Welcome to the show. I have a ONKYO TX-NR656 receiver here. It has 7.1 Atmos surround sound. It's been in storage because I have been in an apartment complex. Decided to get it out, clean it up, and hook it up to my new studio setup. I can't wait to play some retro PC games that have the EX or Dolby surround sound in it. It's going to bring back so many memories. Now we're going to take it apart and clean the dust and everything out of it. Make sure it's all good. It's been sitting for a while. So we're going to go ahead and start popping it open and taking it apart here. So yeah, a lot of people use compressed air, and to save money, I just got me one of those blow-up airbed. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and put the cover back on. Now we clean it up. I am old school. I got my Techwood tower speakers from 1998 and they still work. The subs are only 100 watts, but they still sound good for how old they are. My grandpa always said they don't make things like they used to. Boy, is he truly right about that. So we have our receiver on the left side and the speaker there. And now we're going to go ahead and we got our left speaker and right speaker. I'm going to have the center under the monitor there. What I need to do is have my surround sound, and I figured out how to do that, which I got some shelf speakers from Best Buy, and I'm going to have a wire all along here, and then up here, and then back here. U-staples were great for cabling, so that's what I got. Outside, so we gotta leave some for the speaker. We need to disconnect that. And we gotta make sure that we got this right. Just nothing like chili cheese. All right, sweet, we made it. Now I have the rear and left to do. have my center speaker, the plastic foam cover was scratched up, so did away with it and took the speakers out and painted it to match my desk. Well, Houston, I think we have a problem. My 12-inch sub speakers don't have an amp to power them, and my receiver does not have a preamp for that channel.
Stay tuned to the next episode. This problem will be solved.